Hi, I'm ANL and this is the movie video for Suisei. Suisei is an all-in-one line tool for the entire Sui ecosystem. Most SDKs are built for humans, but we at Suisei we build for agents, not for humans, to write app codes. So normal SDKs use the assumption that humans are the first priority, while with Suisei, agents are our first priority. On the other hand, agents can also act, but we can't necessarily trust agents. So in our toolkit, we have two rules. The key never holds a key. It always returns on-site bytecodes for you to sign, and the key never enters into an agent. When we generate a code with our tool or a prompt, you get the bytecode where you use our other MCP server, which is the agent signer, to sign those transactions locally. At the moment, we have about 37 tools, which we are currently expanding infinitely. But first, we have tools that read balances, read objects on chain, read validator stakes, return on-site bytes. We have the deep book tools. You can search for deep book codes, deep swap on deep book, use the walrus blobs to fetch walrus blobs and also publish walrus blob to the walrus stack. You can simulate a transaction, see the bytecodes, if the transaction is safe to do and all. Then we have the agent tier 1 where you find a balance register to sweep it back. We have agent memories where you can store and badges. These badges are meant for some things like NFTs. And now in our docs, you could see how to integrate everything into your own CLI and agent. So right here I have it in my terminal. Let me just expand this, and I could actually just make it simulate MCP. And then we have just take a couple of seconds to do that. As you can see, we have asked me to use the deep book swap tool, which I accepted. Then we have the transactions information. We are swapping. As you can see, we are swapping on the network testnet pool. We have the SU in deep book. We can swap one SU to this, and we have the transaction information, the transaction target. The TX byte is encoded to sign. You could dry run this or sign and execute with SU, execute sign TX to submit transaction. But now let's dry run the transaction. While that is happening, I'm going to show you just everything on the stack here, how the repo is laid, and you can actually access our npm packages. You could just download it with the npm or through the MCP server. We have two packages here. We have one with 31 tools and the agent signer tool to separate or to give agents constraints, so you don't have to risk an agent going berserk or doing anything that's not supposed to do. So you have the signer is different, the tool call is different. So we have that block. Thank you. And that's Suisei. And if you just try our this to build anything on Sui, as you can see on our website, you could add. We have a section to submit your projects anytime you do. So this is try run TX bytes. As you can see, I'm just gonna click yes here. Then we see the full simulation in action, and you can see you have the summary of the transactions every time. And with this, you can use the signer agents to sign those bytes you already produced. Thank you.